Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LiveENODING. In this episode, we're gonna use Sverchok Add-On in Blender to learn how to create this kind of a card stack. You probably have seen this somewhere. Basically, the idea is to be able to stack the card and then kind of collapse them like this. Kind of nice to see them. Uh, it's not perfect, but I think it's a good start. Anyway, how do I create this? Basically, it's pretty simple. Basically, I start with a circle with only 3 points, and that will give me a triangle, basically. So a triangle profile, and I simply have to rotate it because currently it's kind of pointing in X. I want it to be in the Y, so I rotate it. And what I did next is to use a polygon boom. With polygon boom, you basically separating every edges or every polygon face. In this case, I'm separating all the polygon edge, and all I get is like just the edge. And then what I did next is to extrude it, and then I get one card being stacked. So that's pretty easy. This card is actually, if I bake it, this guy is separate. So kind of nice like that. And then to make it a little bit, to have more details, I'm using the bevel. This bevel edge give me this kind of detailing. So there's a little bit more like a card. Probably, if you create this, you probably want to add a texture at some point, but that's okay. Continue on. I'm joining this one simple element for the card stacking, and what I did next is to use this hexagrid basically, and this guy will did everything, the rest of the setup. So kind of like instancing one of this element into all this triangle layout. So I think that's kind of nice. So yeah, the rest is just the usual, using matrix in and matrix apply, instancing the whole thing, and we get card stacking. Here I'm rotating the stack 90 degrees, so it's like properly set for our simulation. And you can make the stack as high as you like something like that. And then yeah, just give it a try. Maybe not that much. For now, I'll just give a quick demo how I set this up. So I just bake it. It's gonna be a single object, but that's okay. It's gonna be like a rigid body, active, and we just need a floor. So the floor, for rigid body, it's better not to be like a flat object. It's better to have some kind of thickness. So I extrude it. And with the card, it's just a single object. If I drop it, it's just like gonna drop like that. So we can simply separate by loose part, and then for each card we're gonna set the origin to center, and then we can drop it. So we have a fallen stack of card, but this is not very realistic, but it's to make it more realistic, maybe we are using like animation nodes to kind of collapse this card from the bottom, or that way they don't all collapse at the same time. There should be some kind of force. Yeah, but that's the idea, give it a try. Maybe it's you can make it better. Just let me know. It's pretty simple because thanks to Sverchok Add-On, enable us to create something like this pretty easily. So yeah, just add a texture and then we are pretty much done. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.